Do you do most of your academic writing in Microsoft Word? It's powerful, familiar, and built for everything from quick drafts to 200-page theses. But what if you had an AI-powered academic writing engine right within your Word document? Meet Paperpal for Word, intelligent writing assistants built directly into your workflow. Start by installing the Word add-in from the Home tab or Insert tab on Microsoft Word. Click on Add-ins, search for Paperpal from the search bar, and add it as a plugin directly to Word. Once added, click on Open Paperpal, sign up or log in using your credentials. You're now all set to start using Paperpal on Word. Docked neatly on the right side of your Word document, this powerful pane has features that expand into focused tools to help you move through every section of your manuscript. Draft, rewrite, edit, cite, and polish all in one place without ever leaving Word. Need a structure to kickstart your writing process? Use Paperpal's outline feature for guidance. Select your article type, key in your subject area, a brief description, or even attach supporting files to personalize your outline and get started in seconds. Editing academic text but need full control? Paperpal offers language suggestions that retain author intent, allowing you to choose which suggestions to accept or reject. The Consistency tab keeps abbreviations, symbols, and more aligned across your document without compromising academic nuance. Want to generate a caption for your visuals or figures? Research notes scattered everywhere? Let Paperpal Write do the heavy lifting. Attach your handwritten notes, Excel data tables, infographic images, lecture presentations, PDFs, and more. Instead of manually piecing it together, transcribe and extract key insights in seconds. Identify research gaps, generate captions for your visuals, analyze data, and more using Paperpal Write feature. You can also cite, build references, by accessing Paperpal's Research and Cite feature, getting insights from 250 million plus scholarly publications. Ask a research question, cite by highlighting relevant text, or search for relevant papers. You can also cite references directly from your Paperpal library. To insert a citation, simply place your cursor near the relevant text. Click on Cite, choose your preferred citation style, and click on Insert Citation and Reference. Already using Zotero for reference management? No problem. With one click, you can now choose whether you want to import and convert your Zotero citations to Paperpal format. If your styles differ, you can simply choose which one you'd like to retain. Paperpal takes care of the rest. The best part? Each citation comes along with a handy references section. And in case you need to change your citation style again, it just takes one click. Simply access the More Options or 3 dots from the top right corner, click on Citation Style, choose from over 10,000 plus citation styles, and change to your preferred style. You can also group multiple citations together, and every update appears automatically in your References section. And any change to your citation style is reflected across your grouped citations and reference list in real time. When you need to make changes or manage references on the go, simply select your citations, open More Options, and view or edit them. Your References section will always stay up to date, automatically sorted alphabetically or numerically, as per your chosen style. But sometimes, you may need to cite sources that aren't in any database, an unpublished thesis, internal reports, or even conference transcripts, for example. Paperpal lets you add manual citations with complete metadata. You can also edit the manual citation, update the metadata accordingly. Instantly, your citation is updated in your preferred style and seamlessly integrated into your references section. Draft faster, cite smarter, publish sooner. Try Paperpal for Word, the only academic writing assistant you need, right where you need it.